Alright guys, this is going to be a full test or a full machine checkout on an Aisys CS2. These are only at Heart Hospital. So to begin, we're just going to make sure that we have our patient circuit, which is open, the patient Y. We're going to have the reservoir, the balloon here at the end of it. So we're just, every time you turn on the machine, you'll be presented with the checkout or machine checkout. On this particular one, it'll have the full test. So we're going to click on full test. You're going to be prompted with some instructions here. And as you can see, it says the first instruction or first step is to set the bag vent to switch to vent. So over here by the APO valve and the bellows, we're going to switch it over to mechanical ventilation. It says open to patient Y, which it is already, so you can see. And third step says calibrate or remove reinsert latch flow sensors. So this is optional, this is not needed, but if you want to, you can. Here where the flow sensors are at, you'll have a green switch. You're gonna pull on that switch, pull on the whole module, and just go ahead and reset it. You'll see here that there's no flow, inspiratory, expiratory flow sensors. It'll go away once it realizes that they're there or picks it up. Now we can go ahead and press start. It's going to check the switches, O2 pressure, and the ventilator drive gas. Once that's completed, it'll move on to the next set of instructions. Make sure the bellows are fully collapsed. Occlude the patient Y. The bellows are collapsed. And for the end of the patient Y, we are going to connect the green plug that should be on every anesthesia machine. First drawer, or at least in one of the drawers. This one. So it should look like this once you're done. You can twist it in there just to get a good plug or stop on it. Press continue. It's going to go throughout the vent and gas full test. Look at the whole checkouts, bellows if they're empty, circuit leak. It's going to pressurize all of the circuit. Make sure that the circuit is fully extended. So it'll take a while to complete all of this here. Alright, so as you can see here, it passed everything. The circuit leak was at 100 mLs per minute, which is perfect. If it's anything bigger than that, it's usually I think up to like 250, 260, and it's barely passing. That means that there's a minor leak somewhere. We need to troubleshoot that down the road. But it's still acceptable and can still go throughout the case without any issues. The agent delivery, which is from the vaporizers, mechanical ventilation, where it's through the bellows. Circuit compliance, same thing. It does any kind of measurement of leaks. O2 flow control, airflow, N2O, battery, it's good. So we'll accept. And now we're at the point of testing out the manual or the bag mode right here. So instructions show here to occlude the bag Y, which is already done. Set the bag into vent switch to bag, which we did. Now it is on bag. Set the APO halfway between 30 and 70. This is your APO valve. Halfway, 30, 70. And select start. These tests or quicker. Same thing, measuring compliance, any kind of leaks between this bag, the reservoir, or the manual bag, all the way down into the ventilation system. So it passed the circuit leak. And the last step is basically connect the respiratory gas monitor and then select done. The gas monitor in this case is the gas module. It is an external gas module, as you can see right here. And it is on an external rack. It's not completely integrated into this machine itself. So in this case, we can just go ahead and press done. As you can see right here, vent and gas pass, and it gives you the date. So same thing, circuit leak, a low P leak. Also low P leak, we'll do that right now. Press back, low P leak, follow the instructions. Get the green plug, plug the right hand port, twist it in there. Alright, test runs automatically, press start. Doesn't take too long. It's going to pressurize from the right hand port all the way to the gas bench or to where the vaporizer is at. This is similar to the Aisys CS2, Astiva's, ADUs. The only difference is that the Aisys CS2 is automated. You don't have to open it up to 1%, 3%, 5% on the vaporizer, as this one's completely electronically controlled. So once it's finished, it'll say low P leak OK, and you're instructed to take off the plug from the right hand port. Take it off, releases the pressure, press back as instructed, verifies that there's no occlusion, and it passes. So this is how you do the machine checkout, or in this case the full test on an Aisys CS2, just so you can note if ever anesthesia tech, CRNA, or a nurse says that they've done the test on this system already, the full test, machine checkout test, you can always refer to the dates on the checkout screen, and it'll tell you if and when they did that. In this case, the circuit O2 cell is not installed directly into the system because it is redundant, and they're using the external gas module, as that one reads all the gases including agents.